Ultimately, the best way to start building your dropshipping business is to start by selling a product from your site and then to experiment and grow from there. The exact strategies you use are going to depend usually on the nature of your website, your audience, and your goals. It's up to you to find your way, to see what works, and to tweak and evolve your business over time. Hopefully, this video guide has given you all the tools you need to get started. You should now have a strong idea of how a dropshipping business works and how to get started. And you should now have a grasp on how to encourage products to grow, how to choose items that are likely to sell, and how to find the right market and audience for what you're selling. Once you begin selling physical products to your audience, you'll unlock the kinds of profits that you just can't get as an affiliate, and all without taking any significant risk or spending much money at all. And I wish you every success.